the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy buttercream icing using only 3 ingredients. The first ingredient we're going to need is 2 tablespoons of milk. We're also going to need 3 cups of confectioners sugar and 1 cup of butter, unsalted or salted, at room temperature. Okay guys, as you can see, I have all my ingredients measured out. My 3 cups of confectioner sugar, my 2 tablespoons of milk, and my 1 cup of butter. The butter is room temperature, and I'm using unsalted butter. Next guys, you take a bowl, put your unsalted butter or salted butter into the bowl. Make sure it's room temperature. And next we're going to use our hand mixer. Now guys, you want to beat the butter for 5 minutes until it becomes light and airy. And it'll double in size. And also the yellow of the butter is going to lose its color. So that's when you're going to know when it's done. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the butter has lost its color. Now I have a 1/2 cup measuring cup. What you want to do is get you a 1/2 cup at a time of your sugar. And we're going to go ahead and put it into the bowl. And we're going to beat this for 1 minute. Then we're going to go back in, add another 1/2 cup until it's all incorporated into the butter. Remember, beat for 1 minute in between putting in a 1/2 cup. Okay guys, this is after 1 minute. All I'm going to do is fold in the edges of the icing. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another 1/2 cup. Remember, we're adding a 1/2 cup at a time. Beat for 1 minute. And then come back and keep adding a 1/2 cup until it's all incorporated. Okay guys, once your icing is done and everything is incorporated, this is when you use your milk to thin out your icing a little bit to the consistency that you would like. I'm just putting a little bit in there. And also at this time, if you would like to add food coloring, you can. And you can even add any type of flavoring you would like. So I'm going to go back in and mix this for a minute. And then I'm going to show you how to put your icing into a piping bag. Okay guys, your icing is now done. As you can see, it tastes very good. Now I have a piping bag. And all we're going to do is cut this tip off in an angle. And then I have a size 32 tip to slide in there. Okay guys, as you can see, I have the piping bag and the tip is already in there. Next, we're going to fold down our piping bag so we can add the icing. Okay guys, I have our piping bag. All I did was roll it down. Now I'm going to take a spatula and start to fill it. Okay guys, our piping bag is now filled with our icing. Next, I'm going to get the cupcakes I made earlier. I'm going to show you how to ice the top of them. Okay guys, all you do is roll down the top of your bag. Hold that in place, and you're going to squeeze with your other hand, and all you're going to do is decorate the top of your cupcake. Squeeze the icing right around the top of it. Okay guys, here you have it. Your homemade buttercream icing. You guys can even have a little fun with it. You can go ahead and put some red on top for the fillies. And we're hoping they win. And for the undefeated Eagles, you can put some green on top for them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys as always for coming back and watching. And please leave me a comment. I would like to hear from you. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.